Microsoft is starting to roll out one of its biggest updates to Windows 11. There's a new Copilot, AI updates to Paint and Snipping tool, and much more. Get ready to dive into the world of Microsoft's Windows 11 update because it's a game changer. In the fast-paced universe of technology, Microsoft is back at it again, bringing you one of its most significant updates yet. Buckle up because this update is about to completely revolutionize the way you experience your Windows 11 device. We've got a lot to cover, so let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, meet the star of the show, Windows Copilot. Think of it as your trusty digital assistant, always ready to boost your productivity and make your PC interactions a breeze. It's like your personal sidekick, offering quick access to settings, app launches, and instant answers to your burning questions. Microsoft has integrated Copilot seamlessly into Windows 11, and it's a big step towards their vision of AI integration. What if you're in the middle of a project and you need to adjust your display settings or launch a specific app quickly? Windows Copilot's got your back. It appears as a handy sidebar, offering you shortcuts to various settings and making app launches as smooth as butter. Plus, it's always ready to answer your questions, just like a friendly assistant. Microsoft's commitment to AI goes beyond the basics. They've spiced up familiar tools like Paint Snipping tool and the Photos app. These updates will change the way you approach creative projects. For example, Microsoft Paint is now flexing features that'll remind you of Photoshop, with support for transparency and layers. Plus, there's this cool AI image generator called Paint Co-Creator that lets you bring your imagination to life with just a text prompt. How cool is that? So suppose you're an artist or just someone who enjoys creating visual content. With these AI-powered updates, you can create professional-looking designs without breaking a sweat. No need to master complex software. Windows 11's got your back. The Snipping tool is getting a fantastic AI makeover. Now it can extract and redact text from images, making it a breeze to copy text from images and share it across different apps. What's more, it can automatically redact sensitive info from images like emails and phone numbers. Privacy, anyone? This is a game changer for anyone who works with images and text. Need to grab some text from a screenshot? Snipping tool's got you covered. And for those of us that are privacy conscious, the automatic redaction feature ensures that sensitive information stays hidden. The Photos app is also getting some love. Say hello to background blur, it automatically isolates the subject in a photo while giving that artsy background blur effect. And the best part, you can customize the intensity of the blur to make your photos pop. Whether you're snapping pictures on your phone or editing family photos, this feature can take your photography to a whole new level. It's like having a built-in professional photographer right on your PC. So here's the thing, these awesome AI-powered features aren't just hitting your PC all at once. Microsoft is rolling them out gradually, starting with a small group of users and expanding to everyone in the coming months. So be patient and the tech magic will come your way. While it might be a little frustrating to wait, the gradual rollout ensures that Microsoft can address any issues and provide the best possible experience for everyone. Trust me, it's worth the wait. This update also brings some serious improvements to the Windows Backup app. It's now super efficient, making it a breeze to back up your PC for a seamless transition to a new device. All your settings, pinned apps, and Microsoft Store apps will move with you effortlessly. No more setup headaches. And there's a catch: passkeys. They're like the modern alternative to passwords. Use your face, fingerprint, or PIN to access your accounts, websites, apps, and services. It's secure and easy. Win-win. Data security and smooth transitions between devices have never been easier. Windows 11 is all about making your life more convenient. File Explorer gets a sleek makeover. With a modern home interface featuring large file thumbnails and a new carousel interface, it's now seamlessly integrated with the overall Windows 11 design. Navigating your files just got cooler. Whether you're a casual user or a professional, the improved File Explorer makes it easier to find and manage your files. It's a small change that has a big impact on your day-to-day computing. Calling all gamers. Microsoft is introducing native RGB lighting controls with dynamic lighting. No more need for third-party apps. Now you can effortlessly customize your RGB lighting setup right from Windows apps. It's all about leveling up your gaming experience. Hey developers, this one's for you. Windows 365 Cloud PCs are now a part of Windows 11. The Windows 365 boot lets you boot directly to Windows 365 cloud PCs, and Windows 365 Switch makes transitioning between your local desktop and a cloud PC within Windows 11 a breeze. Plus, Dev Home simplifies setting up and using Windows development machines. It's all about making your life easier. These developer-focused enhancements are designed to streamline your workflow and make development on Windows even more efficient. Windows 11 is all about making it easier for you to create amazing software. Microsoft has another update planned for the fourth quarter of 2023. Specific features are still a bit of a mystery. But guess what? Some expected features have already been included in this update, giving you even more reasons to get excited. So, there's even more tech magic on the horizon. Microsoft is keeping the surprises coming, and we can't wait to see what's next. Microsoft's latest Windows 11 update is packed with AI-powered features and improvements that are set to take your computing experience to a whole new level. Whether you're a creative enthusiast, a hardcore gamer, or a developer, there's something in this update for everyone. So keep an eye on your Windows 11 system for these thrilling changes and get ready to be amazed. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tech updates. And make sure to hit that notification bell and stay tuned for more content from AI Nexus. Till next time, catch you on the next video.